Find and Replace dialog, LibreOffice Writer. Hi, my name is Tim. Through the Find and Replace dialog in LibreOffice Writer, you can easily find words and strings of characters in a document. It allows you to do a basic find and replace where text entered in the find box can be found in the document, and it can be replaced with text in the replace box. It also has more advanced features that will allow you to do things like find text that is similar to what is in the find box and use various kinds of symbols for more specific searches. It also allows you to replace found text with text that has a variety of attributes and characteristics. This video is an introduction to the dialog. It covers the various ways the dialog can be opened. There are videos on the OS College website about the basic and advanced features of the Find and Replace dialog. They are available for subscribers. In any operating system, the Find and Replace item is found in the Edit menu. There's an icon for it in the standard toolbar of the default user interface that looks like a magnifying glass. This icon is also in toolbars and several other user interfaces. It is in the toolbar for the contextual single user interface. It is in the Home tab of the tabbed user interface. It is in the group bar full user interface. The icon is in the top right corner. There's also an item in the edit menu that is in the second section. Group bar compact is the same. There's the find and replace item is in the top right corner, and there is a find and replace item in the edit menu that's in the second section. Another way to open the dialog is through keystrokes. If you are using Windows or a Linux distro, you can open the dialog by pressing Control and then the letter H. The keystroke for Mac is slightly more difficult. It is Option plus Command plus F. Those were the ways you can open the Find and Replace dialog in LibreOffice Writer. There are other videos and articles about the Find and Replace dialog on the OS College website. The website also has other articles and videos about the LibreOffice Office Suite. There are also more videos on this channel or playlist. Thank you for watching.